Hi, I'm Chris, and in today's video, I'm going to talk to you about the list view and its basics. So the list view is the default one you have in myReach, and it's the one actually I use the most. Here you can see in every line, every single item, and all of the information that you've saved within myReach. By default, you have the title of the item, and in the second line, you'd have then the description, as well as its type, whether it's a tag, a website, a note, an album, so on and so forth. If it has a description, it would appear. However, if there's no description on the item, we put a different default. So for tags, we put how many nodes are related to it. For documents, we then say what is the type, how much memory it occupies, how many pages it has, albums, how many items it has, and so on and so forth. Just underneath the search bar, you can then choose how you want to have them ordered. So you can order them by newest to oldest, and more importantly, how do you want the sorting to be? So by default, it goes an updated date, which essentially is the last time something was modified. But you can choose when the item was created or whether you want to have them alphabetical. Then, if you were to swipe left on your phone, you'd then be able to send something to the trash. If you send it to the trash, a little pop-up appears, and if you click on undo, it reverses the action. However, if you then swipe right, as you can see, you have a variety of different options. If you click on add to, what it does is that it adds this item as a filter to the search, then only showing the nodes that are directly related to restaurant in this case. If I were to say exclude, it would show me all of the nodes of myReach that are not connected to restaurant. Then, lastly, if I were to hold click on any item, it automatically selects it. There I can then select as many as I want. As you can see here at the bottom, I have a variety of different actions I can do with this selection. First of all, if I were to click on the full selected, it would then show me the list of all of the items that I selected, and as you can see below, in what workspaces they're currently contained. I can then send them all to the trash, or more importantly, I can do a bulk action with them, like connecting them to another node, assigning them to another workspace, adding a property to all of them, or sending them to the trash, as I just mentioned. So here are some of the basics about the list view. If you have any questions, please let us know in our forum. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.